Good morning, students. Now, this is the fifth class of botany. We discussed about Mendel's postulates and laws of inheritance. Already, we have discussed the terms monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, and this type. And now we will discuss about Mendel's laws and postulates. Mendel's postulates and laws of inheritance. After doing a lots of experiments, Mendel advocate 4 postulates. मेंडेल बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट कला परे से 4टा पोस्टुलेट और 2टा लॉ डिस्कवर करथिले. देन 1 पोस्टुलेट 1 law of pair characters. Principle of pair characters. Principle of pair characters. Then second, law of or principle of dominance. Principle of dominance. Then third, law of segregation. Law of segregation. Or laws of purity. Also, this is called as Mendel's first law of inheritance. Law of segregation, also called as Mendel's first law of inheritance. Then fourth postulate is postulate 4 is law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. Today we will discuss about these 4 postulates. Then postulate 1. Principle of pair characters. What this postulate tells? This postulate states that a character is represented in an organism by at least two factors. A character is represented in an organism by at least two factors. The two factors lie on these two factors these two factors lie on the two homologous chromosome at the same locus, which is called as alleles. Alleles are always present in pair form. The postulate states that a character is represented in an organism by at least two factors. आमर जेकोसी भी कैरेक्टर अच्छी प्लांट्स रो हो एनिमल्स हो सी जो क्रोमोसोम रे प्रेजेंट रहउची से सब बळे दीटा फैक्टर आकार रे प्रेजेंट होउची दीटा एलियंस रूप रे प्रेजेंट रहउची जेमति कि जणे जदी टॉल हेतिबो तार जीन कैपिटल टी दीटा फैक्टर अच्छी दीटा एलियंस अच्छी जणे जदी हेटेरोजाइगस टॉल प्लांट हेतिबो तथापि भी तार गोटे कैपिटल टी गोटे स्मॉल टी प्रेजेंट one capital T is present, one small t is present, and in dwarf plant both the small t are present, which are the recessive characters. But always the alleles are present in the chromosomes in pair form, not a single form. जदि गोटे कैरेक्टर को प्रेजेंट करिया पे गोटे कैपिटल टी रहउथांता कि गोटे स्मॉल टी रहउथांता तारे ताको कुहा होता जे सिंगल फॉर्म रे अछि किंतु सब बेले जेते बेले भी गोटे कैरेक्टर जणे एक्सप्रेस करूची से टॉल हो कि कलर हो कि तार साइज हो से जीन हो कि एलियंस हो से सब बेले गोटे पेयर फॉर्म रे रहउची तो सेटा को ही कुहा होची प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पेयर कैरेक्टर्स. Then postulate 2. Then postulate 2. Laws of dominance. when the homozygous individuals with one or more characters crossed with another homozygous plant, then in the hybrids of then the character which express in the hybrids of F1 generation is called as dominant character. And which does not express is called as recessive characters. जेतेबेले भी आमे गोटे होमोजाइगस प्लांट हो कि हेटेरोजाइगस प्लांट को आ गोटे प्लांट सहित हाइब्रिडाइज करूचंती कि तार रेसिप्रोकल क्रॉस करूचंती सब बेले जो कैरेक्टरटा डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर सेही कैरेक्टर ही F1 जेनेरेशन ने शो करिवो जोटा कि मु लास्ट क्लास रे भी कहितली आ जो कैरेक्टर शो करिवोनी ताको कोहाबो रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर। तो tall plant and dwarf plant. These are the parent plants. We cross two plants, this type of two plants. Then we get tall plants in F1 generation. Then in F2 generation we get one pure tall plant, then one pure dwarf plant, these plants are pure tall plants, these plants are pure dwarf plants, but these plants are heterozygous plants. The dominant character expressed, so three plants are tall and one plant is dwarf. Here also 3 plants are tall and one plant is dwarf.